Hey there, welcome to my new listing at 801 John Street in Waunakee. We're going to start our virtual open house today by taking a look and walking through the property. If anybody has any questions, feel free to comment. Come on in and take a peek. Walk through the front door. You're going to see the hallway in front of you. To the left is going to be the front living room, family room. Has a beautiful brick fireplace. We'll swing around back so you can kind of see where we came in the door here. Front coat closet. Lots of great storage. Now I'll just take a little walk down the hall here where you'll see half bath, toilet, sink. This comes in just off of the garage. Another nice storage closet. Main floor laundry. This will be the garage door. We're going to walk out and take a peek at the garage. Lots of great space out here. Full 2-car. Take a walk back through. Here's where we come through the stairwell and down the hallway to bathroom and bedroom. Main bath with full tub shower unit. Bathroom. Walk through to master bedroom. And double door closet. With closet organizer. Take another. Lots of nice sunlight that comes in. And you can see there how it's the walkthrough to the bathroom. Across the hall will be bedroom number 2. Corner windows for natural light. Again, lots of nice storage in the closet with the closet organizer. Bedroom number 3. Window out over the backyard with the deck. Space with closet organizer. This one is right across from bathroom. This will be basement. First, we'll take a tour of the kitchen. Kitchen with breakfast bar, stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator all included. Nice big pantry. and cabinets. I'm just gonna open a little bit of this so you can see. Lots of great storage. Nice large deck. With pergola. Lots of great space out here. Do a quick view of the backyard. Nice little flower garden. Again, corner lot. Pergola coming off of the patio area and back of the house. Coming back through the kitchen. There's also a nice big pantry right off of dining area. Now we'll head to the finished lower level. It's got a great rustic finish. Make a great area for another family room, playroom. It's got some natural lighting. Nice big bonus room, storage closet. Again, natural lighting, has the window. I'll lift this back so you can all see kind of window size. And now we'll head back towards the mechanicals. A little bit of extra storage here that is you'll see water heater, water softener, and furnace here. Little storage under the steps. Lots of built-in cabinets. Storage built in here. And then we're going to go into the workshop. Built-in workbench with electrical. And then a back area that is just ready for storage or additional workshop space. This would make a great little man cave. Again. From the workshop, you can see electrical box, storage. There's additional storage on this side. A beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch located just a block from Rip Park. I'm just gonna kind of give you a little bit of a tour of the yard and the outside. Beautiful flower garden. Nice mature trees. Be full of leaves come summer. Huge deck with pergola. Come check us out. Hi guys, it's Kathy Jasper with Inventor Realty Group. Thanks for attending my virtual open house for 801 John Street, Waunakee. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can email me at kathijasper1@gmail.com, or feel free to give me a call at 608-445-8275. Have a great rest of your Sunday.